Okay, good afternoon, everybody. My name is Bertrand Favre. I'm the co-founder of Yakman, and today we are going to talk about insurance and especially financial protection in insurance, which is a new regulatory model we created. So, what is Yakman? Yakman is a common pot to prevent against unforeseen circumstances. It's a model which to disrupt traditional insurance, and we offer a solution which is cost-saving, transparent, and efficient for our B partners in order to help them to protect their communities among risks. So what was our starting point? On the B partner side, when you need to create an insurance product, it's a very painful process. Insurers used to take 18 months to create a product. It's with very high threshold. And on the end user side, the insurance experience is very poor and painful. You never know what you are covered for, and claims handling process used to be very long. So what is our value proposition? For B partner, it's very simple. We want to simplify and accelerate the design of self-insurance products. So through our platform, our B partners can design new coverage and address them to their communities. Very simple. On the platform, in 15 minutes, you can create a tailor-made financial product in order to protect your community. 48 hours to have it reviewed by our teams and our algorithm, and you can have it sold online. For the end user, the Solidarity Pot is cost-saving, transparent, and efficient, meaning that you can have access to tailor-made products to cover anything you need, anything you have, anything you want. Economic efficiency is up to 3 times higher to what you would expect with a traditional insurance product. And we designed a lean and quick user experience, meaning that your claims process will last no more than 72 hours, and you will have your cash back on your account. So with Yakman, we clearly create a new field between traditional insurance and non-coverage, which is this financial protection through the common pot. How does it work and what for? So Yakman can be used to address several issues. First, it's to cover goods, sports goods, electronic goods. To cover moments, for example, event cancellation. To supplement an insurance contract in order to cover your first euros you would pay from your pocket if you have a car accident, for example. Or in a logic of social action or micro-insurance, meaning that it's a solidarity fund to address the risk of a community. So very important, we are only covering small risks, meaning below that 2,000 euros. So it's really supplementary to what insurers do. So I will not go too deep on this slide, but the idea is that we have a technological platform helping B partners to design their products and users to be onboarded, to have the claims process managed, and to get their cash back. So we fully digitalize the value chain and through a white label platform which is usable through modules. So who we are, Christophe is the other co-founder. He spent 20 years in the insurance industry. He's a risk expert, especially on actuarial and underwriting topics. And I am the sales guy of the team. So Christophe is in Paris, I am in Nantes with 3 people in business development. And we have a PhD in Paris with us, working on behavioral economics dedicated to insurance. So currently, we are working with 2 main domains. So it was insurers with Euler Hermes and SAM, which is a Pan-African insurer rolling out the model in Africa. And with the gig economy, so 2 examples are Deliveroo and Coyote, to help them protect their communities. Where we stand now, so we are leading our Series A seed round. So we are looking for 1.2 million euro for this round, 900K in capital. The idea is to strengthen the sales process and sales team, and then to develop the platform. And we have an ambition of 80 million euros in France by 5 years' time. Thank you.
I didn't get it entirely about what you call B partners. Who are they? What do they do? What do you do? What do
okay. So B partners, I mean, we only focus on companies or big associations, big corporations that are leading communities and that are willing to address risk issues for them through our platform. So it means that they are creating through our platform new products, self-insurance products, they can deliver to their communities. So for example, Deliveroo, which is a good example, is using the platform to protect, they created a product in order to protect the bikes of the riders against theft through the platform. So they use the platform, they did a white label product and roll it out with their community.
And in that case, who is the insurer in this chain?
No insurer, because it's a clearly new regulatory model. So it means that all the fees paid by the insurees, let's say people willing to be in the product, are in the common pot, and the common pot is used to pay the claims.
And if the common pot is not enough?
The cover is ending. So this is why it is a step between insurance and non-coverage.
And how about the traction you had so far? That was not clear for me from the pitch.
Okay, so we address B partners and we first focus on insurers and gig economy. So that's why I talked about Euler Hermes, which is using the solution to do a peer-to-peer insurance for SMEs. SAM is a Pan-African insurer to roll out the model in Africa. And we have, for example, Coyote, which is using it for its community in order to protect them against car issues. And then we would like to move forward on retail and OEMs, which are the usual customers for this kind of products.
So I understood that you act as an insurer, but you're not technically one, right?
We help we create products, self-insurance products, indeed,
Okay.
through the platform, but we are not an insurer, regulatory speaking. Sorry.
Okay.
And we don't need to.
You don't need to
We
be.
don't need to.
Okay. Okay, that's
That's the point.
question.
That's
Yeah.
the main innovation of the process, indeed.
Okay.
Why do you not need to be, sorry if I didn't understand.
What?
Why do you not need to be regulated?
Because there is no risk transfer to the community. I mean, in the model, there are two things that we are not sure. No risk transfer to a third party, because it's a community which is insuring itself against the risk. This is the first point. And second point is that there is no premium which is fixed, which is the case in France if you want to be an insurer, because you have a cashback. I didn't speak about it, but at the end of the cover period, all the amounts that are not used by the pots to pay claims are redistributed among the community.